Welcome back to another Sharp Auto Body video. What I wanted to share with you today is some practices that's going on in the insurance industry. In this particular case, we're going to talk about State Farm. State Farm is literally doing illegal things on a regular basis and price fixing, which is against the law. You're about to see a video of a lady that we recently did a car for, and how badly State Farm treated her. She had been a policyholder for a number of years, since 1988, and her agent couldn't help her, and there's no language in the contract to help her. We're going to see a number of these videos over the next couple of weeks. It continues to happen. I thought it was fair to help you understand. If you're a State Farm policyholder, reach out to your agent, have a conversation with him. What we're saying on these videos is accurate and true. You have no rights if you're a State Farm policyholder. So go ahead and watch the video. If you have any questions or there's something we can help you with, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. One of the reasons why we're doing these videos is so that innocent people stop getting taken advantage of. And some of these are very, very sad and tragic about the way these people are being treated and what needs to be done to their vehicles to repair them correctly. So I hope you enjoy the video, and we'll see you soon.
Hi, thank you. This is Adrian from Sharp Auto Body. Thank you for joining us. I just wanted to talk to you in regards to policyholder and State Farm appraisal clauses. And I have Cheryl here, who's one of our customers. So I just wanted to do a little interview and ask her a couple questions on the process that she went through with claims with State Farm. Hi, Cheryl. So I just want to ask you a couple questions in regards to the policy with State Farm. How long have you been a policyholder with State Farm?
Since 1988.
Okay, that's a long time.
Very long time.
And you've recently been through the claims process. How did that go?
Not so well.
Not so well. And in that process, what happened with State Farm?
They did not agree with the cost of how much it was going to be to repair the car back to its original condition. So it went to arbitration, and the whole process took 2 months.
Yeah, that was a long time. And thank you for your patience. We really do appreciate that. As I constantly updated you through the process and you learned about the resistance and delays from State Farm to pay your claim in a timely manner, what were your thoughts and feelings about that?
I felt very neglected by my insurance company. I couldn't believe that they were doing this to me, especially since I've been such a long-time customer. My house, all my kids' insurances are with them. It didn't mean anything.
Yeah, and that's tough when you feel like you have an insurance company behind you. And
they really are.
Yeah. And when you and I worked together to get your agent involved at State Farm, as State Farm disregarded him as well, what did you think about that?
I thought that was really bad.
Yeah.
I couldn't believe it that they did not really take any information or any comments from him into consideration.
Right.
I mean, he represents State Farm.
Right, and I believe a lot of agents don't even realize that this is going on as well.
Right.
So, and as I shared with you, other insurance companies have an appraisal process that gives the policyholder rights to get to an agreed price for both safe and quality repairs. What did you feel as a State Farm policyholder, knowing that you don't have any rights, and how did that affect you?
Well, I was really surprised at first to know that they even had anything like that.
Right.
I mean, it costs what it costs to get a car repaired, and this appraisal clause, they can decide on whatever it is that they want for the car to be repaired. And they told me, 2 different people that I spoke to, that, well, you're responsible now for what the difference is, which was thousands.
Yeah, it makes a huge difference. Well, thank you so much for answering all my questions, and we'll go ahead and turn it over to Louis.
So first off, Cheryl, thank you very much. We're very, very grateful that, first off, you're so brave. Most people Seriously, most people cower to the insurance company thinking that they have no rights and there's nothing they can do. One of the reasons why we wanted to do this video is not to bash State Farm, and we could easily do that, but that's not the intention of this. The intention of this video is to educate all of you that are State Farm policyholders that under your policy, State Farm has made it clear and taken out any kind of verbiage for you to have any sort of arbitration or an appraisal clause. We've gone through this process with other insurance companies to great success, and we do this in the benefit and advocate for the car owner. The car owner doesn't know what the car owner doesn't know, much like the insurance agent, to Adrian's point. The insurance agent doesn't know that this isn't an option either. So in this particular case, what State Farm came back and told Cheryl was that yes, she could get this thing resolved, but she was going to have to hire attorneys and then go fight her own insurance company, because in State Farm's policy, there is no language giving her any rights to get to an appraisal clause or a third-party source to negotiate to an agreed repair price. So in this particular case, the insurance company is really after the lowest repair cost as possible. And it doesn't matter how long Cheryl's been with them. It doesn't matter what the agent says or does. None of those things come into play. It's all about them lowering the cost of that repair. And unfortunately, with State Farm, they have a policy now that says the car owner has no rights because there's no arbitration or appraisal clause in it. We've gone through this process with Allstate, Progressive, American Family. I could list a number of other insurance companies. And at the end of the day, we do get paid a fair price for a quality and safe repair for the vehicle owner's vehicle. So this is a word to the wise. If you have a State Farm policy, reach out to your agent and ask him to review that policy with you, because I can guarantee that there's nothing in there to protect you, the car owner or the policy holder, in the event that you have an accident and you need to protect for what most people is their second largest investment. In this particular case, Cheryl's driving a very new model vehicle that needed all kinds of repairs done per the manufacturer. From Subaru, these vehicles need to be repaired. State Farm doesn't care what Subaru says about repairing that vehicle. State Farm cares about what the cost is to them and nothing else. So again, we appreciate you watching. Ladies, you guys did a great job. Thanks for being so brave. We hope you have a safe weekend, and we'll be back in touch with you soon.